I built these 3 websites for free in under 5 minutes using AI. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, anyone can create a professional website without spending a dime or needing any coding skills. But here's the thing, a great website needs more than just a design. You will need a host to store it, a domain name to make it yours and make it accessible on the internet, and a platform where to create it. In this video, I will walk you through 3 incredible AI tools that make it happen fast. And as a bonus, I'm giving away a professional website plus 1 year of free hosting worth at least $500 to 10 lucky subscribers. We will get to the conditions for that prize later. First up is Wix AI. Let's set a timer now to see how long it takes. Head over to Wix.com and click Create with AI. Either sign up with your details or continue with Google. Choose AI website creation and click on Create a Wix site. Type your prompt by answering the questions of Wix AI. You can pause the video to read my prompt. So for this demo, I will be creating a website for a video editing agency specialized in editing long and short form content for YouTube. The name of the video editing agency in this case is Editors Pro, and I will be showcasing different formats of videos on the website. So of course, the goal of the website is to showcase our work and our portfolio, and also of course building an email list by collecting information of visitors of the website. So the lead magnet in this case, which is the content we plan to offer, is a comprehensive free course on video editing. Once you're done answering all the questions, wow, look at the display. I was truly not expecting something that good. Wix AI truly did a good job at the copywritings here. So at Editors Pro, we excel in enhancing your video content with professional editing services tailored for YouTube. I love it. I'm scrolling down to see the other parts of the website. I love the pictures that they selected. It's quite impressive. Now, of course, you can edit the text, you can change the images, you can edit the button, you can add section and edit the SEO to make sure that the website is ranked. You must also look at the mobile version of this website, and it looks very nice. So here I'll click on Let's Go. So I will choose Disappears for the header style. I want to test out this floating feature. It looks nice and it can help convert, but I will click no for the back to top button. I don't need that. All right, here. So for the quick actions, you can actually customize it. You can either have your visitors send you an email or call you on the phone. Overall, very strong performance. You can change the logo, customize the text, change the images, include videos, and publish your website. Now, the free plan of Wix is a bit limited because you cannot deploy your website on your personal domain, but you can still use a subdomain of Wix site. Wix is a great choice for beginners, freelancers, solopreneurs, or even content creators or bloggers looking to have a presence online. So next up is Pineapple Builder. Let's now reset the timer to see how long it takes. So head over to pineapplebuilders.com and provide a description of the website your business needs. Click on Generate Website, choose a template, and click AI Customize. Provide the name of your business, the language, and business details. Also include a description of your target audience. Click on Next, choose the industry. So I'll leave it as professional portfolio for now. The primary call to action will be learn more, and I will use a free subdomain for now. You can also share with Pineapple your current website or an example you like. Click on Next. List team members, I'll leave this as blank, and click on Next. So enter a business address, select a country and a phone number. Put your contact email, enter your social media links if you have, and select a voice attribute and click on Next. Add the pages you like to display on your website, like the contact us, the portfolio page, and also the features you like to use, like forms, chatbots, and pop-ups. Click on Generate Website. At this stage, Pineapple Builder will ask you to create an account with them, so you can either sign in with Google or create a new account by entering your details. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue. Add the company name again, drag and drop your logo, and click Create. Scroll all the way down and click Generate Website and watch the magic happens. What I love the most about Pineapple Builder is their flexibility. So you can change the palette style, choose a different font if you like, change the button style, and so on. Once you're done picking your design, click on Create. It takes about 45 seconds for Pineapple Builder to generate your website. And of course, you can change the text, customize the button, change the text on the button, change the images. So once the skeleton of your website is created, you can head over to the menu on the left side and add pages. You can work on your SEO to make sure that the website is ranked on search engines. You can change your logo, change the text, and even delete some sections if you don't like them. Pineapple Builder has a pretty cool AI feature where you can chat with your AI team basically. So either you can talk with the marketer, the designer, the coach, the developer, or the support team. So it's better to publish your website on your own domain compared to a subdomain of Pineapple. In my opinion, Pineapple is a good choice for businesses and consultants who want to have a professional outlook online. Alright, next up is Hocus.com. Now let's reset the timer one more time to see how long it takes to build a website with Hocus. So first, head over to Hocus.com and enter your email address to get your free website. Click on Get Your Free Website and then describe your business category here. I will put e-learning in this case. Click on Continue. Then personalize your website by selecting the services you wish to offer. Keep in mind that you can modify this later. So here I will choose online lectures, video tutorials, and then online learning resources. Click on Continue. Now tell us what you want to do with your website. So I want to sell products, collect testimonials, get new customers. I click on Continue. My business is not physically based somewhere, so I will just choose online business in this case. But if your business has a physical location, just select it. Okay, now choose the name of your existing business. So let me name it Editors Academy, for example. So we need to select 3 unique aspects of our business to help Hocus generate our website. So here I will choose, let's say, easy navigation, result driven, and exceptional customer services. Click on Continue. One more and we're almost done. How would you like your website visitors to contact you? I like them to fill out a contact form. So yeah. And next up, here are 3 different versions of the website that Hocus suggested. So in a first glance, I like the 1 and the 3, but I think I'll be more inclined to go with the first choice, although the 3 is also quite attractive. Let me go with this one. So you select the best, what you like the most, and you click on Continue. Now I can choose my color palette. Yeah, I like this green color palette or blue. Okay, I think I'll go with the green one. Click on Continue and then choose my font pairs. So here I choose something quite simple but still professional. I think I'll just go with the first choice. And yeah, you wait and you see the magic happens. So right now Hocus is building the website in the backend. And again guys, this used to take hours and hours of coding or using WordPress. So man, this is game-changing stuff. So all right guys, once the first draft of your page is designed, all you have to do is click on each element and change them to your liking. Top level courses, learn valuable skills, blah blah blah, welcome, about us, our courses. So we can see the courses right here, the different sections. So it added a section of our team and then the contact us form. So all right, let's say you want to change the title here, so you can put Editors Academy and then put the place where creatives learn video editing skills or whatever. So here on the top left corner, you have the section part where you can add blocks to your website. You can add an about us, a service block, even a contact form, resources, careers. It's pretty complete. You can check out all your pages by clicking on the pages button and going to the different pages. So right now you're on the home page, but you can navigate to the contact us page. You can change what was added by default. I can click here on the courses page and then see top level courses, get ahead in your career. We have different courses here. So inside store, you can either edit an existing store or add a new store. So if I click on continue, well, in this case, well, since we are doing courses, we not really add a store, but just to give you an idea, let's say, for example, you sell camera gears. Since this is an Editors Academy, it kind of makes sense, right? Let me come back here. You can upload your own medias, like your logo, your company's branded images, videos, audios, and other files. And you can even connect other apps like the Google Analytics, Google Ads, the Google Tag Manager, the Facebook Pixel, and so on. Although there are some limitations with the free plan, there is still a lot that you can do if you dive into it. Now, the limitation with generating website with AI tools like this is that the content is not always customized and personalized for your business. So what you want to do is really to gather as much information as possible about your business and use it to get your website branded, all right? You don't want random information on your website. So I highly encourage you to actually put in some time and effort to personalize your website. Once you're done, click on view and you can see the preview of your website. So the website looks something like this, which is fine and okay. Now that you've created your website, the next step is to connect it to your custom domain name ending by .com, .ai, .io. However, there's no way that I know of to get a domain name for free yet. Most of the tools that I've presented in this video, Wix AI, Pineapple Builder, Focus.com, either offer you for free a paid domain name or the possibility to buy a domain name for very cheap. Now, if you want a tool that is not completely free but with similar AI capabilities to build your website, Hostinger got to be your next move. All right, so I've compared these three tools on a scale of 1 to 10 based on design quality and customization, copywriting and SEO capabilities, and finally integrations. So first off, Wix AI is the clear winner here when it comes to design quality because, I mean, it's a drag and drop editor. It lets you tweak every detail, colors, fonts, layouts without coding. Pineapple Builder and Hookos allow you to do the same thing, but I just love the design that the Wix AI suggested from the get-go. It's very slick and modern, so yeah, Wix AI is the clear winner here. Now, when it comes to copywriting and SEO capabilities, I think Wix AI is slightly above Hookos and Pineapple Builders, which are even. I personally love the fact that the copywriting on the Wix AI short and sweet, straight to the point, but still enticed for conversion. The Pineapple's SEO assistant is quite decent and drafts good content, but the SEO features are limited on the free plan. Now, finally, integrations. Wix AI free plan connects to tools like Google Analytics, social media, and even email marketing apps, perfect for growing your blog or store. Pineapple offers analytics and basic social media links, but lack depth. And finally, Hookos integrates payment gateways like Stripe, great for e-commerce, but its free plan skips advanced apps. So Wix AI again gives you the most bang for $0. So Wix AI dominates on the free plans, but if you want to go pro for a budget-friendly hosting with killer AI features, Hostinger is my top pick. For as low as $2.99, you get a free domain, AI-powered site creation, and similar tools to Wix. The Lite plan of Wix is currently $17 and the core plan is sitting at $29, so you see the big gap here. Hostinger is technically not free, but it's clearly a steal for scaling your website without breaking the bank. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to dive deeper into Hostinger in my next video. Wix is definitely a great choice if you're not restricted by your budget and want a solid platform to grow your business. Before we wrap up, don't forget the giveaway. I'm giving away a professional website plus 1 year of free hosting to 10 lucky subscribers. To enter, simply subscribe to this channel, like this video, and put in the comment section below which AI topics you want me to cover next. I will pick the comment with the most likes or the best ideas, so get creative. Links to all tools are in the description, and check out my other video on how to create professional AI logos for free.